this room, which is right balcony of the road. Wow, this is. You gonna park your car over here? Alright, so here we are in the room. This is one of the Hilton property or Hilton property, Hilton hotel. So we got this room, which is right close to Eiffel Tower. And look at this. This is we got upgrade as the diamond member. And let's see here. Ooh, bathroom. Not bathroom, this is like a toilet. And then I assume the bathroom is another way. Oh, try to look for the bathroom. Okay, so this is the bathroom. Wow, this is big space for the hotel next to the Eiffel Tower. So they got the bathtub, and then this is as usual the shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel. And then you got here the sink. They also got the hand wash and the lotion and a lot of towel. And this is and this is the shower room. That's amazing. That's huge. And then the bed, like you can see here. By the way, if you've never been to Europe, this is the kind of plug. So make sure you buy the adapter before you come here, because otherwise kind of hard to find around the area. I mean, it's easy to find, but maybe it's a little expensive. So this is the bedroom. What kind of room is that?
I think the junior suite.
Oh, ooh, the junior suite. Wow. See this and the French style of the balcony of the road. Look at this. Whoever watched the Emily in Paris, this is kind of like the look from a lot of her part of the movie. It's pretty cool. And look at this. Normally you got the place to hang your clothes or your jacket over there at the entrance, but probably it kind of like different design. Mostly like Hampton Inn, but this one is the Canopy hotel. Alright, this video probably the witness that we didn't do this. Somebody did. Look at the TV here.
What's wrong?
Somebody scratched the TV really bad. So they don't have the free water, and this is where you can go to fill up the water, free water somewhere in the hotel. I'm not a big fan of that because the water tastes horrible. Unless you cook and drink like a tea, that would be good. But yeah. What else do I have? They have kind of the magazine. Well, kind of like a shopping stuff. Luxury looks. This magazine. Wow. It's kind of like what you can spend your money. Yeah. So this book is tell you where to spend your money. For us, we're gonna spend the money on the food. Yeah. And I will show you guys the rooftop bar and the lobby just for a quick look. And yeah. Alright, I found where you can refill your water.
Take that for James.
Nice. Yeah.
C'est le même prix.
Here's your Eiffel Tower. So this is where you check in, pretty much like the lobby. It's pretty good, nice and classic and luxurious design. And ta-da! Oh, you can't see. Let me zoom in. This is the Eiffel Tower. City of Love. City of Love, everybody. You feel romantic when you're here? And the rooftop earlier is so beautiful, like you can see the view. So if you are driving, you're gonna park your car over here, but the car is super expensive if you park over there. That's why we didn't drive here, because of the fee is so expensive, plus the traffic in here is crazy. Yeah. Now we are waiting for the taxi. Mostly we are using Bolt for the going around.
See.
This is the breakfast area. Whoa!
Yeah, did not,
Look at this.
did not work out as planned.
The biggest cappuccino ever. So I got like some. This one is called detox, green detox drink. Actually, it's pretty good. And as usual, I also get green tea here. But this is what we got. So the breakfast, they open pretty late. I think probably close around 10:30